Hey everyone, today we'll be making this matcha green tea cake with strawberries. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Go ahead and sift the almond flour and powdered sugar in. Whisk them together until it turns into a light yellow color and until it's well blended. Add in the matcha powder. Whisk it in to incorporate the matcha. Sift in the flour. Whisk to mix. In a separate bowl, separate the egg whites and yolks. Put the yolks in a separate bowl. Beat the egg whites with a mixer, add the sugar gradually. Whip until you get stiff peaks. This is what it looks like. Fold in a small portion of the egg white to the cake mixture. Go around the mixture and then fold it in, then cut through it in half and repeat the process. Pour the batter in a greased and lined baking pan. Spread it evenly across the baking pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 7 to 9 minutes. Add in the sugar and cornstarch. Whisk to combine. Add in the milk and the egg yolk. Whisk until combined. Pour the mixture into a saucepan. Whisk constantly as it cooks for about 2 minutes until it thickens. This is what the texture should look like. Strain the custard through for any lumps. Cover the custard with saran wrap so skin doesn't form when it cools in the fridge. For the whipped cream, add the heavy cream and sugar. Beat until stiff peaks form. Add in the matcha powder. After cooling for 30 minutes, take out the custard. Incorporate the custard by folding it into the whipped cream. You may still have little lumps after folding the custard in, but that adds to the texture. After taking it out of the oven and cooling, go ahead and trim the sides. Slice it into 4 even sections. Put a piece of parchment paper over the cake and flip it over. Gently peel the parchment paper off the cake. Put the first layer on and top it with cream. Do the same for the second layer, but instead we will be putting strawberries on top as well. After putting down the strawberries, top it with more cream. Put the next layer on and put the cream on top. And finally put the last layer on top. Transfer the rest of the cream into a piping bag. After letting it cool for an hour, go ahead and trim all the sides. Sift the matcha powder on top of the cake. Decorate it as you see fit. Give yourself a generous slice. Eat up and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.